No private jetties in private land to be allowed.
आयतारा हळदण जाल्ले ग्रामसभेत जमीन रूपांतरण तशेंच खाजगी जेटीचो विशय बरोच तापलो. पंचायती प्रमाणे जमीन रूपांतरणा आड जे निर्णय आसात ते कोर्ट तशेंच सरकारा वतीन जातले अशी माहिती सरपंच अश्विन डिसोजा हांणी दिली. मजगती खाजगी जेटींक खर विरोध करीत ह्या विशींचो थारावूय ग्रामसभेत पास केल्ल्याचे सरपंचान सांगले.
Gramsabha was very peaceful. There was one issue which they had brought up about CS land conversion. Land conversion is not a matter of the panchayats to decide. So the honourable courts are looking after it. Concerned parties have gone to the court. Notices are shown. So we have mentioned that we are not doing this discussion here because the matter is in the court, and whatever it is, the government will decide. We will abide by whatever the court rulings are. Apart from that, it was an ordinary Gramsabha. Normal drainages, cleaning of roads and everything.
इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चराचे कितें येयल्ले?
इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर जे आदल्या आमदारान घेतलेले ते आदलो पंच मेंबर was trying to indict me in that matter, that the structure is come during my tenure. What has happened, there are approved plans during EHN दिताना ते प्लॅन बी दिताना ते प्लॅन बी सगळे EHN दिताना ताका त्या सायझीचे आसचे म्हणून ताका अप्रूव करून दिल्ले. म्हज्या टेन्युअरान हांवें स्टॉप नोटीस काडली, सायट इन्स्पेक्शन काडलें, ओन्ली फॉर मी टू नो दॅट इट वॉज ऑलरेडी इशूड. सो इट बिकम्स अ मॉकरी ऑफ जेणे कितें करून दवरलें कारण तें आमकां खबर ना. आनी आतां कितें जालां, तेका तेज्या आंगार आयलें म्हणटा तो मागीर सरपंचाच्या नाका पावना हांगा दिता तें उलयता, बट इट वॉज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. येट आतां आरटीआयच्या अंडर डॉक्युमेंट्स वयला, लेट हिम कम टू नो. आनी ताच्या बरोबर रावल्ले पळय थोडे लोक, ताची घरचीं आहा ते इशू करपाक हावज नंबर. सो दे न्यू ऑल दीस थिंग्स वर देर प्रायर टू मी. Plan is approved during the EHN number issue, and ulte maje it is not fair. So that's why I didn't bother to reply and all. I said in the right forum. I went to Gram Sabha when the matter came. Taka jana sangla tu present ha the meeting. Matter ended there only. So we realized this is not something that they can just walk over me on any things which they are party to, basically. So we have done corrective measures. We have seen to it that whatever procedures have to be done. And then he gave a reason saying that it was damaged, the structure was damaged and he's repairing it. But everything was already approved before us.
जेटीचेर कितें जालें?
जेटी ह्यो पळय हात CZMPचेर पळय हात त्यो ट्युरिजम पर्पसाक यूज करपाक लोकांक प्रॉब्लम ना. बट देर सेइंग नो परमिशन शॅड बी गिवन इन प्रायवेट ओन लँड ऑर फॉर दॅट मॅटर कम्युनिदाद लँड ऑर फॉर दॅट मॅटर इन गव्हर्मेंट लँड ऑल्सो एडजस्टंट टू द रिवर ऑन द एंटायर स्ट्रेच. बट एक्झिस्टींग ज्यो आहात हिंचो तर कोण ऑपरेट करूंक सोदता, प्रिफरेबली आमच्या आल्दोणकार, देन दे मे बी गिवन परमिशन फॉर ट्युरिजम पर्पज.
स्नेहा सोटीकर सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.